Assalamu alaikum, guys. Happy Eid to all of you. Wishing you and your family a blessed Eid filled with love, compassion, and togetherness. So, planning dinner out for Eid then, guys. Hotpot is the best place to visit in this Eid to enjoy the Chinese cuisine with your family and friends. Hotpot is a Chinese restaurant based in Riyadh in King Abdul Aziz Road. Feel like cooking up a storm? Well, you'll be able to roll up your sleeves and wear the chef's hat yourself at this amazing restaurant in Riyadh. Tucking into a char-grilled, meaty steak, prime cuts of Wagyu, or even grilled chicken, and veggies for all the vegans out there, is somewhat of a passion in the Saudi capital. Hotpot is located on King Abdulaziz Road from 11 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. daily. For a taste of classic Chinese food cooked at the hands of, well, yourself, you'll probably want to give this restaurant a try. Order up a feast and start grilling. Put on your chef's hat and head over to this amazing restaurant. The menu is extensive with an all-you-can-eat concept and includes brisket, spicy beef, grilled chicken, dumplings, momos, veggies like corns, and warm soup with so variety of sauces. Add a variety of promisingly delicious items from the salad bar, including potato salad, beetroot, and corn, and get ready to dig in. The eatery offers hands-on cooking using a traditional technique. The food is delicious. We had medium spicy soup for the hot pot. We ordered beef balls and spicy beef and much more items. Great place! The food is very authentic, and since it really only has one focus, hot pot, the hot pot is amazing. We got a soup and spicy soup. The spicy soup was extremely spicy. Also, the place is quite sanitary, and they had drink options too. A wonderful experience by all standards. The food was extremely delicious, with high-quality ingredients prepared with great care. The atmosphere was lovely, and the overall experience was truly enjoyable. The most delicious dish was the meatballs and noodles with the coal egg sausages. Honestly, it's an experience well worth repeating, and I highly recommend it. Delicious food. My family and I had a wonderful experience. My family and I loved the experience of cooking with Hotpot. The staff were very helpful. What stood out was to cook our ingredients to perfection at the table. The art of balancing dipping sauces added a personal touch to each bite, making it a memorable culinary adventure. It's advisable to visit with a group to fully appreciate the communal aspect of hotpot dining. This was my first time to try a hotpot in Riyadh. What a wonderful experience! Best Chinese food ever! The ambience was good and comfy. Food is too good and yumlicious. Full protein and healthy meal. You can cook as per your choice and enjoy fresh food. Sauces are too good, especially the garlic one, which gives you a fresh taste of garlic with other spices. I love to visit again. This is a good that you never feel guilty that you're getting more calories, very healthy meal. The interactive cooking made it so much fun. We tried beef, lamb, meatballs, and dumplings. The beef and lamb were incredibly tender, and the meatball was super fresh. Absolutely delicious. If you love bold flavors and quality meat, this place is a must-try. So guys, if you like my video, then do subscribe to my channel for watching more such upcoming videos. Take care and see you all in next vlog. Until then, assalamu alaikum.